So, didn't know what to say this morning. I wasn't sure whether what I wanted to say in my video. I didn't have the inspiration. But there's one thing I keep on reminding myself is to rebuild. And I know I've probably already done a similar video like this. It's about rebuild every time something doesn't work. Sometimes we come across challenges where we have to rebuild from scratch. Whether it's a career, whether it's a life, a relationship, friendship, an internal belief. And that's what happened to me. I had two main not yet. Miyuki citizenship and potentially could well be a no, but I'll have to decide. And my company. So not yet, because if it's in my imagination, it's there, it's going to happen. Maybe not at the time I wanted to, but it will happen in an appointed time. So this brief video is to remind myself that everything is happening in an appointed time, and then you have to get used to rebuild. The more and more in society we come across life, they had to rebuild their life. People, they have to rebuild their lives completely on any aspect of their lives. Certain people might only experience some of them, some others have a complete makeover. Like my husband. And so just get used to rebuilding. Rebuilding, you become really strong in rebuilding. There's a lady on Instagram that says the same. So we need to learn how to get used to rebuild very frequently. So that's my main take home, my main message for this morning. If something doesn't work, rebuild. If something doesn't work, maybe it's not yet. The only thing that changes, the only deal breaker, it's if you do something about it or not. At the time, when time comes, you need to want something and then believe in something. And I think I already mentioned it before. If you want something but you don't believe in it, it's not going to happen. And you need to make sure you do something towards this. I know it sounds a bit boring, but nobody's watching this video, and it's just for me and my book and my future. And then maybe one day I'm sure people will see it, will watch it, and this will be the foundation for maybe my channel. So have a good day.